Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Instagram highlights edit cover loading problem. So let's see the step. For solving this problem, just go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search for Instagram. From here update your Instagram app if it available. Now go back to home screen. Open Instagram apps. Now click on profile icon. Tap on three line icon. Scroll down and find help option and click on help option. Now click on report a problem. Now again click on report problem. Click on include and continue. Here type details about your problem. After typing details, now click on send button. Now wait sometimes and then check your problem solved successfully. In this way you can easily solve this problem. If you found any help from this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.